First we're going to do Georgette. On Georgette, there's a nice beach, beautiful beach. Then after we're going to Anslazio. Anslazio is the most rated beach in the world. After we're going to Curieuse. Curieuse is where we're going to spend most of the time. Okay, we're going to have the barbecue. You can mingle with the tortoise. You can enjoy the beach. Also the sea is very nice. And then we're going to Saint-Pierre, where we're going to do the snorkeling. Of the reef to do the snorkeling. And then we're heading to Anslazio. Anslazio also, there's the beach, it's beautiful. And you can also enjoy the reef.